Habai keren bagi nong pathai kubor hadian balawai ke jingelang Myntri ketenat penmi boarding ke jelau iti mondal. Ulaong balakan top ya barok ki benta ke bedai berkakam boarding haga power policy ke Thymmai. Barga sarkar kan penselur ginong bay tengka banwan ke jela kenang ba anla ban peniat cekamat igi project penmi boarding ke Thymmai haga jela. Ulaong baga power policy ke jela kedai naduk kesenam arajar shipau. Bat keladap kat sau senam bat mentaladon kam daga power policy ke Thymmai. Uiti mondal ula pensyairu baga pump storage project kadai kemat ke Thymmai haga jing penmi ega boarding elektrik. Bat ya keniru la penrong hapo ka power policy ke Thymmai. Uli itu baladap banyasoy ya kejing etek kular ban pet bakan long kebabiang neam bat lada kam long kebabiang kumtakan long kebam dan jengmut bandon ya kenika kendon haga power policy ke Thymmai. Haga bayadai bagajing syap tiang kipat ba namar kejing pelu yang keberaja naga daw kejing tut ke boarding elektrik naga short circuit. Uiti mondal ulong baka long keba shibo ni kitanat bakan let kemi benya ikarukam shem boarding elektrik naga power connection haman lagi yang. Namar ki babon kiri shimet ki penan kam ke boarding elektrik haki yang ki jongki. Ulong baka terat ke sepenlong ya ke audit naga jing kemi benya ikarukam same ke boarding elektrik haki jing tai ki bakongsan bat ki bala rembha kibala tay di gideng kibadan hasilong. Hendrai kenika kam kandang penkiakam syosyo ikidong tray jangka corporation. Uiti mondal ulaong ru baladadan kino kibadan kino gijing kibiyadai bat ke boarding elektrik. Kini ban pentip mardor syake MEECL kenang bakan yok ban le kebadan kam. Haga bayadai bagajing don ki pos elektrik kibarem bat sarang bat kajing no jong ki wayar elektrik hakaleng kenong bat silong. Myntri ulaong baka corporation kan sabujli no mardor kini ki pos elektrik habaga yo pediang ki jing ujor ya ki jing don ki pos elektrik ki belas sarang bat ki balarim.
Same, some new addition is there as you are aware that our earlier power policy was not having anything called pump storage project. We have a little bit changed the criteria for solar energy as per the requirement of renewable power purchase obligation, and then we are also encouraging the investor to come to the state so that new power projects come. These are the basic things that we have added. Now, no power project is not functioning well. All are functioning well. Actually, there was one allotment quite a long time back to NIPCO, 500 megawatt. But you must be aware that now NIPCO is a subsidiary company of NTPC, and they have decided that NIPCO will be now only dealing with green energy. So NIPCO itself has written us that they want to scrap this power policy. So accordingly, we have scrapped. No, we have given the scope for having pump storage project. Our earlier power policy was not having, because this is a new thing into the power industry. So how do we go about if we want to have our own pump storage project? So that's why we have brought it into the new power policy.
And how many pump storage projects we are going to have?
No, this is a policy matters. After that only the state utility will think that whether they can go ahead or not, or maybe central PSUs they will think, or private party may come. As per this, then only we will see that whether it is feasible to give them or not. Actually, I'll just deviate from there. We have entered into an agreement to see whether the feasibility is there. If feasibility is not there, then no point of having that provision into the power policy. Now we found that there are some basins where we can have the pump storage project. That's why we are bringing it into the power policy.
Why do you have to go for a new power policy?
You
can execute pump storage.
No, that is there. Not only for this one, we have gone for this power policy for all. For hydel power also, for thermal power also, for pump storage project also, for solar, for thermal, even we are thinking other green initiative like hydrogen, all these things when it will come, we will take that into consideration also. It is not that we have just brought this power policy to facilitate pump storage projects. This will be more friendly, so from central PSUs or maybe IPP, independent power producer, may come and invest. All along last 10-15 years, we have not seen any power project is coming up other than Ganol from state side and also Riangdo from state side.
Total, how many power projects are there? Total, state-owned.
I will tell you. Say Umiam Hydel Power Project, stage 1, that is having 36 megawatt. Stage 2, 20 megawatt. Stage 3, 60 megawatt. Stage 4, 40 megawatts. Then New Omtru is having 40 megawatts. Then Leshka is having 126 megawatt. 22.5 megawatt is there in Ganol. We are having two small hydel power project. One is Sonapani, 1.5 megawatt, and one is Lakro, 1.5 megawatt.